All right. So, is it possible to take a book like a boss event, like a workshop that you're selling or a service that you're selling? You've created a service or a product here inside Book Like a Boss, and now can you actually take that and embed that on a website, on your WordPress website? Well, you can. So here's how you do it. You have to log in, go to your dashboard, and then underneath other settings, you'll see there is a embeds link here on the menu. If you click on embeds, you can say, it basically says create embeds that can be placed on other websites. You can configure colors, fonts, and which appointments and packages you want to include, right? There's also a video tutorial here from the team themselves. But, we go down to add embed here. Let's do content workshop test, right? Workshop, okay, content. Oop. Workshop, here it is. So we've already set up that package beforehand. But then you can play around with the colors and all those things to match your branding if you want. And then click Save Embed. You'll see then it's generated some code here that you can copy. Okay, then you go over to your WordPress page, right? You want to make sure it's in text mode. You're going to paste that code in there. Hit publish or save. It's probably going to give me some kind of error because my website needs to be updated real soon. And then on the page here, so I'm just going to refresh this. You will see there it is. All right, so then you can just send people to this page on your site. Here it is. There's a description of what it is that you're selling, the price. There's time on it. If there's time, if they need to book a calendar event, they can schedule the time here, put in their name, email address, the message that they want, and then the card number and purchase. All right, so that's how you can embed your product or service into from Book Like a Boss into your WordPress site. And if you want to give that a go, you can actually just grab a free 14-day trial of Book Like a Boss at this website here. So simplecreativemarketing.com/blab. Jump on there, get your 14-day trial, and let me know how you go.